ready to unlock a fortress of security for your Coinbase transactions. Let's dive into connecting your Ledger hardware wallet to Coinbase using WalletConnect, all managed directly through Ledger Live. First, open Ledger Live on your computer. Navigate to the Discover tab. It's located in the left-hand menu. Scroll until you find WalletConnect. Click on it to open the WalletConnect application within Ledger Live. Now, you'll see a screen prompting you to connect. Simply click the Connect button to initiate the WalletConnect session. Head over to the Coinbase website, log into your account, and locate the WalletConnect option. It's usually found on the Sign-in page or within your account settings under Connected Wallets. Back in Ledger Live, a pop-up will appear asking you to authorize connection request. Carefully review the details and then click Accept on your Ledger device using the buttons. Make sure to verify that the information on your Ledger screen matches what you see on your computer. Now, whenever you initiate a transaction on Coinbase, a confirmation request will appear on your Ledger Live and your Ledger device. This is where the real security kicks in. Use your Ledger device to manually verify and approve each transaction. This ensures your private keys remain safely offline, protected from online threats. When you're finished, always disconnect your WalletConnect session from both Coinbase and Ledger Live. In Ledger Live, simply click the Disconnect button within the WalletConnect app. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Ledger to Coinbase with WalletConnect. Subscribe for more crypto security tips and tutorials.